So, I designed and 3D printed this holder for my DJI Nano. Very handy, and it's on a flex stick. Quite useful. Let's check out how I made it. Forgot to film the print, but now it's washing and curing. Came out looking good. Alright, let's cut some threads. Had to make the bolt heads a little smaller. Alright, just super glue them in. Connect the mag switch, and that's it. This little baby switch is pretty freaking strong. So I can attach to anything magnetic and then screw in the post from either side and connect the DJI holder. Easy. Came out nice, huh? It's very useful. See you in the next one.